Kids Academy. Hello everyone! Today, let's learn about a very cute and fast animal. Yes, the rabbit. My friend, do you know? Rabbits are mammals. That means they have fur, warm bodies, and they feed their babies with milk. Rabbits live in fields, forests, and even desert. And they are famous for their long ears, strong legs, and twitchy nose. Oh, look at this baby rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a kid or a bunny. Bunnies are born tiny and blind, and they stay in the nest. The nest is called a burrow. They stay in the burrow for protection. Their mother rabbits take very good care of them. The mother rabbits feed them with milk and keep them feel warm. The bunnies grow very quickly. Just several weeks after the giving birth, they start eating grass and vegetables. Do you know? Rabbits are herbivores. That means they eat plants, leaves, vegetables, and fruits. The bunnies have very strong teeth, and the teeth grow continuously. So they need to chew the grass and the plants to keep their teeth healthy. My friend, here is one amazing fact about rabbits. Their running and jumping ability. They can hop very fast. They use this way to escape from the predators like foxes, eagles, and snakes. Their strong back legs help them jump high and cover long distances in just a few seconds. Rabbits are also very social animals. They live in groups and they communicate with songs, movements, and scents to stay safe and happy. My friend, here is another fun fact about rabbits. Rabbits have excellent hearing ability because they have very long ears. These long ears help them detect the danger from far away. So next time when you see a rabbit hopping in the field, please remember they are cute, fast, clever, and they are the amazing part of our nature. My friend, thank you for watching and see you in the next adventure.